Come over. Come over. I didn't ask you to come over. Let the excavator come over. I can't even get up. Just it come up so bigger. Why can't I get up? Look how big it is. How big are you?
300 there.
It can't come up. We elevate you to the end. Let's go. Put in total gear and move forward. Let us see if switch akhir slope can come up. It is almost beyond the limit of the excavator. Here, put the bucket away. Put the bucket away. Just reach out a little bit further. Just reach out a little bit further. Move forward. The lower arm rocks of the body. Take your forearm and walk forward. Right. Go, go, go. Keep going. Keep going. Yes, okay. That is so great. Climb to higher. I turn it over when turning. What to do again? Yeah, step back a bit. Okay, almost there. That's it. Back and forth. Slow down. Be sure to turn slowly. Tuh. I'll say if he can turn around from the back. Turn, keep turning. Arm up. Yes, left slowly. Yeah, around again. Turn again. It is over. Watch the bucket. Don't hit the ground. Keep spinning. To keep going. Oh, put the bucket away. Just extend your forearm a little bit further. Okay. Step back first. Don't fall to the ground yet. Step back. Yes, continue to return. Okay, forearm. Step back. Don't lower your arm. Lift it up. Taking that big arm down. Lower the upper arm and then extend the lower arm. Stretch out your arm and keep walking. Right. No lower arm. Lower arm. Stop extending your forearms. Yes, yes, yes. No step back. Stretch your forearms back. That is so great.